Vibe coding sounds like a buzzword, but it's real. You describe what you want in plain English, and an AI writes the code. You're not memorizing syntax, you're steering. And yes, beginners can ship a working app this week. Let me show you how honestly. First, the truth. AI won't build the whole thing perfectly on the first try. Your real skill is describing clearly and testing what comes back. That's the job. Here's your concrete step. Open a tool like Cursor, Replit, or Claude. Then write a spec, not a wish. Bad prompt. Make me an app. Good prompt. Build a single-page web app where I type a task and click Add, and it saves the task to a list I can check off. Use plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one file. Notice what I did. I named the feature, the buttons, the behavior, and the tech. Paste that in, run it, and you'll get a real to-do app in minutes. When something breaks, don't panic. Copy the error message, paste it back, and say, "This is the error." Fix it and explain what went wrong. That loop, describe, run, read the error, fix, is 90% of coding. Do it 3 times and you'll feel it click. Once it works, post it free on Netlify or GitHub pages by dragging in your file. Now you've actually shipped something. About money. This won't make you rich overnight, and anyone promising that is lying. But people do get paid to build small tools, automations, and micro apps for businesses that don't have a developer. That comes from reps, not luck. So today, ship the ugliest working version of one idea. Tomorrow, make it slightly less ugly. Comment with what you built. I read them. And subscribe if you want the honest version of building with AI.